Hello everyone and welcome back to Data Cloud Now's live coverage of Snowflake Summit in Las Vegas, the world's largest data and AI conference. I'm now joined by Sudhir Chaturvedi, President and Executive Board Member at LTIMindtree, along with Pooja Deewan, Chief Data and Analytics Officer at Otis. Such a pleasure having you both on DCN.
Nice to meet you, Ryan.
Yeah. You know, Sudhir, I'd like to start with you and LTIMindtree. You define yourself as a new kind of technology consulting firm. How are you and the team adapting to an ever-changing landscape, and what impact are you seeing from a generative AI and LLM standpoint?
No, thanks for that, Ryan. So LTIMindtree, we completed a merger in record time in less than 6 months, and now we are 90,000 people strong across 60 odd countries. It's been, the new firm that we're creating essentially is built around a simple promise. We want to take our clients to the future faster together. So the future, every client lives in the future and we want to deliver that future. We want to do it at speed. And we want to do it together with our clients and our partners like Snowflake. This is the model that we've put in place, and that's why we think we're a new kind of firm bringing a different perspective to how services have traditionally been done. We're really excited about this journey. When we were going through the merger, we had our client satisfaction actually went up during a time where there should be some disruption. But I think we're very thankful to our clients who have supported us in this journey and continue to partner with us. I think I'll end with just saying that one of the things that we strongly believed in is that we always had the speed, agility, the nimbleness of a smaller player, and we never ever want to lose that DNA. I want to bring it to everything that we do. But now we also have the capabilities of any of the largest players, so we can bring the best of both worlds to our clients, and that's what we hope to do with Pooja at Otis and continue to do that with her.
An exciting next chapter for LTIMindtree. Great to have one of your customers with us here today. Pooja, Otis dates back over 150 years. How important is data in preparing the company for the next century?
Oh, absolutely. So it's so glad to be here and be partnering with Sudhir in delivering. So Otis, for those who don't know, it's an elevator escalator company. 150-year-old startup is what I would like to say, call us.
I love it.
Yes, so again, we have a rich legacy of investing into R&D, whether it's our elevator products out there or the digital ecosystem to support it in the latest 20th century. You look at any iconic building out there, Burj Khalifa, Space Needle, Otis elevators out there. So I'm sure all of your customers must have traveled in an Otis elevator or escalator at one time. So as much as we continue to invest in our products, the digital innovation of how data and analytics drives the end-to-end customer experience, passenger experience, and our own internal employee experience is extremely pivotal and important to us. So, in this day and age, for us, our customers that are wanting to know how can we serve them better, also wanting to know we fit into the bigger ecosystem of smarter cities, smarter building, how can Otis help them in that journey? Our passengers, like you and I, that use an elevator, are expecting much better than just an elevator ride. So we are building smart elevators out there that understand how traffic is changing in the building around because of pandemic or non-pandemic. And so what's at the heart? Data and analytics to drive that kind of experience for us. And last of all, for any company, our own employees are the ones that really drive our business to build the best products for our customers. So how do we truly get data and insights at the fingertips for our customers so that they can drive the transformation for our customers is truly what we are trying to target. Now, I keep talking about the customers, but really, honestly, it cannot happen without the data, the new oil, and the ecosystem to make it happen.
Exactly.
So that's where partners like what LTI is doing, building the products like Snowflake, bringing in graph capabilities such that end-to-end, that data is available broken across silos, and so we can really focus on the business and empowering our customers rather than focus on the technology that we like to do.
I love that you brought up breaking down silos. This transitions perfectly into the data cloud. Sudhir, with a purpose to unleash new possibilities and impact every human you touch, how does this partnership with Snowflake help make this a reality?
Yeah. Thanks for that. So we actually started working with Snowflake over 4 years ago. I think we were one of the earliest partners to spot the potential of what Snowflake and how it would disrupt the whole data cloud world. And we've consistently built on this ever since. In fact, we call this 360 relationship with Snowflake. So we have, we are obviously services partner for Snowflake. We've got a product called Fosfor, which is native to Snowflake. We also use Snowflake within LTIMindtree. All my sales data resides in Snowflake. And we work with your professional services organization as well in order to make sure that our joint clients get the best experience. So we've got 80 odd clients together. I've got 1,000 plus people just focused only on Snowflake. I've got a business unit that just does this. We've got salespeople who sell Snowflake. In fact, they carry Snowflake license revenue. So we've gone in, pretty much all in on a Snowflake strategy. And what we heard at Summit this year is very exciting. That some of the things that we're looking at, Snowpark, where we're excited about how we do more with our clients there. We're looking at the clean room, data clean room. A lot of our financial services clients will really value that. And the Streamlit integrations for our Fosfor Lumen product. So lots of new exciting things. I could keep going on and on, but we're just going to double down on our investments at Snowflake. And we're very glad that for the third consecutive year we won an award at Summit. So this year we're the Innovation Partner of the Year. So it shows, you do something right 3 years in a row, you're probably, on the right track there.
Congratulations again on the three-peat. Pooja, you mentioned internally and the importance of, a data-driven culture. How do you approach this at Otis on a day-to-day basis?
So that's a great question. I mean, we are at a summit like this where we keep talking about technology. And technology is a huge enabler, but it's eventually for us, a company that we focus, it's all about the business.
Right.
It's business first. What are the challenges or the business strategy enablement we need to create and solve for, and bring the technology capabilities to actually support it to make it happen. So that's the part of the data ecosystem building part of the role. But equally important part of that is the partnership with the business leaders itself.
Right.
We can't do it without that. Eventually, it's all about the business. So the better we understand and partner with the business to understand what processes are holding them back or what processes can give them the lift. They might not know the technology solution to it, but they do definitely know what do they need to be better at their business itself. So that partnership is very important, and how do we create that enablement throughout, right from ground up to the senior leadership level. And so there's a whole process around building that data culture in the organization itself, so that we are providing the people that are making decisions have the data at their fingertips. Don't clutter them down. We're all used to that engagement where we pull up our smartphones and ask a question and voila, you get the answer, or at least directionally you start knowing about it. And that's the similar sort of experience our employees expect, our customers expect, our passengers expect. So to build through that data-driven culture, again, it's all about showing the delivery, partnering up with them to understand we are there to solve a business problem. We're not here to do a solution out there for them.
Yeah. And I think data literacy is so fundamentally important in today's day and age, and with new technologies like Gen AI and LLMs, it's now opening up the window to non-technical folks.
Absolutely.
So great to hear about how Otis and LTI is both using data internally as well for their own employees. It has been an absolute pleasure sitting down with both of you. Before we go, quickly, as we look out on the remainder of 2023, what's top of mind? Pooja, if you'd like to go.
Oh, so Rome was not built in one day. Our goal is to continue down this journey. Again, enabling the business transformation. How do we bring in the information at the fingertips? And each opportunity we use, we try to use the capabilities like LLMs or AI or ML or just pure data ecosystem enablement to get them near real-time data to run their meetings, to make decisions. And so, continue to go down that journey. Again, there's a lot of areas where we are still trying to enable end-to-end visibility, whether it's from the point we design to manufacture to deploy to field and serve our customers. How do we create that single pane of glass for our customers and our internal customers? Continue to go down that journey.
And Sudhir, in the final 12 seconds that we have, what's top of mind
No,
for you?
we're in a challenging business environment, so we're here to see how we can help our clients, generate more revenue, cut costs, and move faster. And frankly, we've created this whole Gen AI studio along with all their data capabilities on this. It's called Canvas AI for creators, for users, and for managers. So we're very excited about seeing how we can deliver serious business outcomes in a very difficult business environment.
Well, looking forward to seeing what's next. Congratulations to both of you. Thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now.
Thank you, Ryan.
Thank you.
Pleasure
Thanks,
being
Ryan.
here.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. We'll see you soon.